If you've been wondering how to transfer games to another account on Epic Games, the short answer is that you can't directly move purchased games, DLC, or in-game progress from one Epic Games account to another. That means things like game ownership, Fortnite skins, and most account-based purchases are permanently tied to the original account that bought them. So if you were hoping for a simple transfer button, unfortunately, Epic Games doesn't offer that option. But there are still a few useful things you can do, and I'm going to walk you through them clearly in this video. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming guides. Now let's get into it. First, it's important to understand the difference between ownership and installation. Even though you can't transfer the game license to another Epic account, you can move the installed game files to another computer or another drive. This is helpful if you're trying to save download time or reinstall without starting from scratch. To do that, copy the game folder from your current location and move it to the new drive or PC. Then install Epic Games Launcher on the new device, begin the installation for that same game, and when it starts downloading, pause it. After that, replace the partially downloaded files with your existing game files, then resume the download, so the launcher verifies the files instead of downloading everything again. This doesn't transfer ownership, but it does help you reuse the game files you already have. Next, if your goal is to move console connections, such as Xbox or PlayStation, that part works differently. You can unlink a console account from one Epic Games account and then link it to a different Epic account. To do this, go to the Epic Games website and sign in to the account currently connected to your console. Open your account settings, find the Connection section, and select the Accounts tab. From there, locate your console platform, such as Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo, and choose the option to disconnect or unlink it. Once that's done, sign in to the other Epic Games account you want to use, and link the console account there instead. Keep in mind that while the console connection can be changed, the actual games, purchases, and progress tied to the original Epic account still usually stay there. That's why it's so important to check what you actually want to move before you start. If you're trying to share access with another person, you may need to look at account sharing rules, family options, or simply purchase the game again on the new account. And if you're trying to recover access to a game library, make sure you're signing in to the correct original Epic account, because that is the account that holds the license. So to recap, you cannot directly transfer Epic Games purchases, DLC, or progress to another account, but you can move installed files between devices or drives, and you can unlink and relink supported console accounts. That's the safest and most accurate way to handle it. If this cleared things up, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.